How to adjust hue in VN Video Editor. Want to change the mood of your video with just a color tweak? Let's adjust the hue in VN Video Editor. First, open your project and tap on the clip you want to edit. Now look for the Adjust button. It usually appears at the bottom toolbar. Once inside, find the hue slider. Slide it left or right to set the overall color tone of your video. You'll see the color cycle through different sets. Pick the one that fits your style best. Remember, subtle changes often look more natural than extreme shifts. If your colors look weird and unnatural, try combining hue adjustment with saturation or contrast tweaks for balance. Ever used hue adjustment in your edits? Drop a comment sharing your favorite color vibe. And that's how you can adjust hue in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.